Hello everyone. In today's video, we are gonna create a mini Boston bag using vegan leather. Let's get started. Cut one piece of fabric measuring 15 inches by 13 inches for the outer shell. Cut one piece of fabric measuring 15 inches by 13 inches for the lining. Cut one piece of fusible inner facing measuring 15 inches by 13 inches for both outer shell and lining. Cut pieces measuring 6 inches by 6 inches and 6 inches by 8 inches for inside the pockets. Prepare 2 pieces of cotton webbing, each 1 inch wide and 12 inches long for handles. Cut a piece measuring 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches for the shoulder strap holder. Fold the pocket fabric in half and sew, leaving an opening. Clip the corners and turn the fabric right side out through the opening. Attach the pockets to the lining, positioning them 2.5 inches from the top. Since the ends of the cotton webbing tend to fray easily, finish them with a zigzag stitch and then fold and sew to prevent the fraying. Attach the handles 2 inches apart from the center and 1.5 inches down from the top. I forgot to attach the handles at this point and later had to reopen the part of the sewing to attach them, which was quite troublesome. Please make sure to attach the handles at this step. Align the zipper face down on the outer fabric and sew. Using a zipper foot can make this process easier. Align the right side of the lining with the back of the zipper and sew them together. This creates like a sandwich with the zipper between the outer shell and lining. For the seam and top stitch from the outside. For slippery fabrics like leather, consider placing parchment paper cover the fabric to aid in stitching. Repeat the process for the opposite side of the zipper. First, aligning with the outer fabric. And then attaching it to the lining with an opening. Sew along the top stitch to the right side, excluding the opening. This is the small part for the shoulder strap hooks or just for decorative purpose. Fold in the middle and fold both sides again and sew. Attach them to each end of the zipper. Prior to this, secure the end of the zipper with hand stitching to prevent it from opening. Flip the back inside out through the zipper opening. Secure the center of the lining and outshell to meet at the center where the zipper is located. Stitch both side ends securely. Turn the back right side out through the opening. Tuck in the lining of zipper side neatly and top stitch from the outside. Fold each corner into a diamond shape. Mark 2.5 inches from the top side and 2 inches from the bottom side and draw the line. Sew from the outside. Be cautious to avoid catching the lining. Turn the back inside out again. Stitch along the edge from the inside. Customize the handles according to your preference or hand size by folding them in half and sewing. Thank you for watching.